Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the crochet style. Firstly, brush it evenly. This will help when you're doing your style. Once I finish brushing, I'm now going to add my coconut oil. I like to put it in between the lines. This helps the hair to grow. And it also makes the hair soft for when you're doing your style. Cut the lines and smoothly add coconut oil in between them, and continue this step all the way around. Once you've finished adding the coconut oil to the hair, you're going to cut the hairpiece in half horizontally. Once you have finished that step, you now get your elastic band and just tie it round the back part of the hair to save it for later, and then you move to the front part. Once you reach the front part, you cut it in half. Once you have finished cutting it, you are now going to get another elastic band and tie it round one half and begin the other half. You're just going to evenly cut a line, a small line on the other half. And then you're going to cut a small parting and twist it just like this. Once you have finished that, then get your extensions and begin to plait the rest of the line you've cut. Once you have finished plaiting the end, you will continue this step each time until you have completely finished your half. Once you have finished your half, you may now continue the step on the other half. Once you have finished your front part, you may now begin the back part. First, you start by cutting a small line at the very bottom and you begin to plait it. And then you begin to plait it all the way up like a circle. Once you have finished plaiting, you plait all the way around until you reach the very center of the back. You may begin to get your twist braids out and start the front. Once you have finished this step, you may now begin the back. First, you get the braid twist and slide it underneath your plait, and then grab the very end and slide it through. Continue this step for the rest of the swirl, and again you will repeat the step where you slide the twist braid underneath the plait. And once you have finished, your results should be like this. Thank you for watching this video.